Okay, let's try this Pythagorean trig problem. They tell us that the cosine of some angle is minus 5 over 13, and they tell us that it's got to be somewhere between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. That's saying it's either in the third or the fourth quadrant. Well, it can't be the fourth quadrant because cosine's negative. So the only place it can be is the third quadrant. You need to draw a picture like this in the third quadrant. And you know that you're going 5 to the left here because that's the adjacent side. The hypotenuse, see, adjacent over hypotenuse must be 13. And you know that if you use Pythagoras, 13 squared minus 5 squared, you'll get 12. And that's minus 12 because you're going down. Well, that's the first bit of business you got to do. Now, sine is easy. It's minus 12 over 13. So all you do is go minus 12 over 13 squared, 144 over 169. That's the answer to the first question. Now, the next question is kind of a reduction question. It's 360 degrees, but you're bending down into the fourth quadrant. All you've got to know is that tangent's negative there. So it's really the negative of the tangent of theta. And what's the tangent of this angle theta here? There's theta bending around there. It's minus 12 over minus 5. It's just 12 over 5. But the answer is negative 12 over 5. Now this one, the cosine of theta minus, that's the cosine of the difference of two angles, theta and 135. And so what you do is you write down the formula for the cosine of alpha minus beta. And all you do is plug in theta and 135 into the formula. You've got the formula on your formula sheet. It's cos of the first angle, cos of the second angle, plus the sine of the first and the sine of the second. And the cos of 135, if you've got a special triangle, it's 1 over root 2. That's right, but cosine's negative in the second quadrant. Sine is positive. So that's your answer. You're looking at it right there. That's minus 12. That looks like plus 5. So minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7 over 13 root 2. Now, we don't like to leave a surd in the bottom. So if you multiply the bottom by root 2, or you put this in your calculator will multiply the top and bottom by root 2 and fix it so that it's minus 7 root 2 over 26. There's your answer.